Everyone is using ChatGPT, but the people actually winning with AI right now have quietly switched to something better. And today I am giving you the 8 best prompts to prove it. These are not basic prompts. These are the exact prompts I personally use with Grok 3.5 every single day that consistently outperform anything I have ever gotten from ChatGPT. Welcome to AISkillUp, where I break down the best AI tools and prompts in simple tutorials anyone can follow. Hit subscribe because we drop new AI content every single week. Now, before we get into the prompts, why Grok 3.5 over ChatGPT? Simple. Grok has real-time internet access, thinks deeper, and gives more detailed, accurate answers on almost every topic. Prompt number 1, the deep research prompt. Most people ask AI shallow questions and get shallow answers. This prompt forces Grok to go deep and give you expert-level analysis on any topic. I asked Grok to give me this answer of this prompt, then wait, tell us what a generation do we understand. I used this exact prompt to research AI automation tools, and Grok gave me a 2,000-word expert analysis in seconds. ChatGPT gave me a basic 3-paragraph response. The difference was shocking. Prompt number 2, the content creator prompt. If you create any kind of content online, this prompt alone will save you hours of work every single week, guaranteed. So, as a viral content strategist, I've created a full plan for the health and fitness niche. Here are 10 video ideas, complete with hooks and thumbnails, designed for maximum growth. I ran this prompt for my AISkillUp channel, and Grok gave me 30 days worth of content ideas in under 10 seconds. This single prompt saved me an entire afternoon of brainstorming immediately. Prompt number 3, the money-making prompt. This is one of my personal favorites, and the results it gives are genuinely shocking compared to what ChatGPT produces on the same topic. I ran this prompt for my AISkillUp channel, and Grok gave me 30 days worth of content ideas in under 10 seconds. This single prompt saved me an entire afternoon of brainstorming immediately. Grok does not just list generic ideas, it actually creates a personalized roadmap based on your exact situation. ChatGPT gives you the same boring list every single person gets, regardless of their skills. Prompt number 4, the business plan prompt. Want to start a business but have no idea where to begin? This prompt creates a complete professional business plan in under 60 seconds. The prompt is, create a detailed business plan for your business idea targeting your audience. Include revenue model, marketing strategy, and 90-day action plan. So, as you can see, the Grok Business Plan Generator has given us a fantastic foundation. We're targeting 5% of the premium smartwatch market within 3 years by combining Swiss design with... Prompt number 5, the email writing prompt. Writing professional emails takes time, and most people struggle to find the right words. This prompt solves that problem permanently. The prompt is, write a professional email to your recipient about your topic. Make it concise, compelling, and end with a clear call to action that gets a response. I use this for every important email I send now. Grok writes better professional emails than most people I know. It takes 5 seconds instead of 20 minutes, and the results are consistently excellent. Prompt number 6, the Learning Accelerator prompt. Want to learn any new skill in record time? This prompt creates a personalized learning roadmap that gets you results 10 times faster. The prompt is, I want to learn your skill from complete beginner to professional level. Create a structured 30-day learning plan with daily tasks, best free resources, and milestones to track. I used this to create a 30-day AI learning plan, and Grok broke it down into daily 30-minute sessions with specific resources, exercises, and weekly milestones. It was better than any paid course I have seen. Prompt number 7, the sales copy prompt. Whether you are selling a product, service, or idea online, this prompt writes conversion-focused sales copy that actually makes people buy. The prompt is, write high-converting sales copy for your Grok targeting entrepreneur and professional. Include a powerful headline, problem and solution, key benefits, social proof section, and strong call to action. I tested this for a watch product, and Grok wrote complete sales copy including headline, story, benefits, and closing statement in 15 seconds. A professional copywriter would charge hundreds of dollars for that. And prompt number 8, the life coach prompt. This is my personal favorite on this entire list, and honestly the one that has had the biggest impact on my productivity and mindset every single week. So, the prompt is simple. I want you to act as my personal life and business coach. Based on my current situation, give me honest, direct advice, and create a clear action plan for the next 30 days. Grok does not sugarcoat anything. It gives you honest, direct advice based on your exact situation. I use this every single Monday morning to plan my week, and it has completely transformed how I work. So there you have it, the 8 best Grok 3.5 prompts that consistently crush ChatGPT. Let me run through them one final time so you have them all locked in your memory right now. Deep research, content creator, money making, business plan, email writing, learning accelerator, sales copy, and life coach. Copy all 8 and start using them in Grok today completely free. The difference between people winning with AI and people falling behind is not the tool, it is knowing exactly what to say to it. These 8 prompts give you that unfair advantage starting right now. Which of these 8 prompts are you going to use first? Drop it in the comments right now. I personally read and reply to every single comment on this channel every single day. If this video helped you, please smash that like button and subscribe to AISkillUp. We drop brand new AI tools and prompts every single week. I will see you in the next one. Peace!